Hey everybody, Ms. Teacher here. We're taking a look at question 4 from the practice test. And it says the table shows the extra credit points P a student can be awarded depending on the number of tickets T the student has earned. And here's the table. They want to know which equation could be used to find the number of extra credit points P for a student who has earned T tickets. Now, one of the things that I should mention, if we look at the answer choices, it's do stuff to T to get P. So that means that P is going to be our dependent variable and T is going to be the independent variable. Sometimes when the table is presented to you in this kind of horizontal fashion, sometimes people get confused about the operation. So if you're one of those people, then I recommend that you rewrite the data from the table in this fashion. In other words, in this kind of vertical instead of this horizontal orientation. So if we throw in the tickets, right? T, we have 20, we have 24, we have 28, we have 32. And you ask yourself, what do I have to do to this number to get this number? What operation am I doing? What am I doing to 20 to get 5? Now, at first, when people look at it in this presentation, they fall for this choice right here, choice A. We're not taking this number and multiplying it by 4. 20 times 4 does not equal 5. So this is not the function. Now, I think the problem with choice B is people are not used to this orientation of it. So what if we write it in this method? T divided by 4, because that's the same thing as this. T divided by 4. Let's examine to see if that's what's going on. If we substitute in the values of T, so in this case T is 20, and we divide that by 4 to see if that equals 5, so far it checks for that first one. If we take our value of 24 and divide it by 4, do we get the value that they give in the table? See, they give 24 and a 6, so that does check. And if we take this 28, substitute it in for T, it didn't come out very neat, did it? And divide that by 4, do we get the number they're talking about here? And the answer is yes. And if we take this 32, substitute it in, because that's what you need to do for question number 5. Take the 32, divide it by 4, that will give you how many extra credit points. So go ahead and finish that and come up with a number, and that's your answer for number 5. And for number 4, understand that T divided by 4 can be written as T divided by 4, same thing. So we're not subtracting, right? We're not taking this and subtracting 7 from it and getting that. And we're not taking this number, subtracting 6 to get this, right? 20 minus 6 does not equal 5. All right, so hopefully you found this video helpful.